Hi everyone, welcome to Cocosenor, and today I will teach you how to fix iPhone flashlight grayed out issue. Several solutions are shared here. Solution 1: check Control Center settings and restrictions. Tap Settings. Tap Screen Time. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap Allowed Apps. After that, find Flashlight app and make sure it is allowed. Besides, you can go back to Control Center. Tap Flashlight icon to add it. Solution 2: disable LED flash for alters. Tap Settings. Tap Accessibility. Tap Audio or Visual. Tap LED flash for alerts. Then disable LED flash for alerts. Solution 3: make sure you have enough battery. Tap Settings. Tap Battery. Then check the battery percentage. If it is lower than 20%, go to charge your iPhone. Solution for force restart iPhone. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Press and hold the power button. When the Apple logo appears, release the side button. Solution 5: reset all settings on iPhone. Tap Settings. Tap General. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Tap Reset all settings. Then enter the screen passcode. Tap Reset all settings. Confirm it. OK, the iPhone is being erased. Solution 6: fix iPhone flashlight issue with Cocosenor iOS Repair Tuner. Make sure iTunes is installed on the computer. Go to Cocosenor.com and then download the iOS Repair Tuner program. After that, install it on your computer. Then open Cocosenor iOS Repair Tuner. Choose System Repair on the left side. Click Standard Mode. Click Start. Then connect your iPhone to the computer. Click Next on the software. You are asked to download the firmware package. Click Download to go ahead. Minutes later, click Repair. Well done! The iPhone is repaired successfully. Then your iPhone will restart and you can check whether the issue is fixed or not. That's all.